This car is red. Red in Filipino is pula. Pula. In Bisaya, it's also pula. This airplane is blue. Blue in Filipino is asul. In Bisaya, we say Bughaw. Bughaw. This bus is yellow. Yellow in Filipino is Dilaw. In Bisaya, we say Dalag. This train is green. Green in Filipino is Berde. In Bisaya, we say Lunhaw. This wagon is orange. Orange in Filipino is Kahel. In Bisaya, we say Kahil. The belly of this elephant is white. In Filipino, white is puti. In Bisaya, we also say puti. The back part of this vehicle is black. Black in Filipino is Itim. In Bisaya, we say Itom. This ring is pink. Pink in Filipino is Kulay Rosas. In Bisaya, we also say Rosas.